All right, Kokose TV and your nation prophet. Nation prophet. And ono who say we are the best prophet I or Ghana han. Bisano between the says back as well number 1 prophet. With me to a challenge. I the other different. So no who knows where number 1 to 1 test between that also. See a John and I'm the minute share meaning come. Or am papa. Or in Bibia or in Bibia. What has on and there's many needing come over. And you better cry. See another call there.
Rather than me, pa.
Oh, you do Ghana how?
Oh, say, Yankupon or Frewa or my come cray. Me then, Ukraine, I am person catch me man for no one person of my team, so my cost what can't say. Metias as you mean young way. My cost what can't live as I was seeing my team come on to. A do a beer, and I come both for us. Nancy, one of my camp politicians from Swassi. I'm the 2 for so many of mine. Nay, Yankupon mine. Yan Benin say, O can't send me arms here, we and this. Muka send me arms here, we and people. Me mean tis answers. The also make. Okay. Gain is a mechanic. Say, maybe so me true challenge him also for be say. So be so you do for no do for our share command. Umbra want you. On can some 100. Ni nyamu be 4 be a beba. Ghana, sisi Ghana yumi. Enyamu maso kasa. But I'm telling you, no prophet is bigger than me.
See. No prophet is bigger than Kwame Isaac. Kwaku.
Amma Bimpumaba.
Kwaku.
Isaac. Jan.
No prophet.
No.
And they're bigger than you.
No.
See, I said, whether some guessing now cover the other you.
No.
A deep kraka you want to Ghana hey. Obia and something.
Now, Kakrakano, fa. Kakrakani say.
Me fa kakrakano say. And come she be no more she. Say, King Tampo be BBC na BBC wo. And come she be no more she. And for 31st December, before to me the prophets be brave, baby go. Na BSCC. So, me nye radio so depend call na TV so mama fan the case you. But me friend him commissioner wo share no. The way clean weight. ACT no. And na me who say we or you give for case.
If I may ask her, when prophet be or Ghana the last 10 years, what shall come more than me? Bomb. Maybe so. The overshare and come kingdom upon what in a gum she be. Obinzubesha and come say you to Nimbu, what in a gum she be. 31st night, a deep for Nipper be or musician. Only do say, and then 7 on the kind as see. Nimudu say soon hence. Now they are very to see a John dear walking. Do the to see a John dear no one won't say, Ure see, well, crowd, you know, but to me a car, and someone can see a baby from my yakesia. Saying ye would fate, and no one can say that, say, besides. One hour interview is still what I may catch out say. Wow, stars a veggie Ghana league. Now, too. Ukra, no sorry for studio catch him say it is impossible. What to one of our strategy. What is studio na make catch us say 10 years, Sasso folk and the Ghana league.
See, and the interview me on your kind of
maybe watch now. What is studio that couldn't catch us say Ghana Black Stars? Yeah, Russia. Why welcome Ghana young Kubi. Yeah. What you want to catch us a group na Ghana Kutum better so see at in fact, and then I say, come over here, Minister Dibia, or Kai Miankasa, Medeme, interviews make Kaipa or make Kaipa, Miami Busano, Sandy Monia, Babicram Urafi. Mean Kai Bako. Now, to her, and I will be some and I may catch us as and the Kotoko team be valuable. And I didn't mean who are going to 3 me free. No, I bet you Kotokosa, and I Kotoko play, be more friendly, Brinya. And now, what fun is what she go. eno ani oligo a ehye ya mopon ye wo na uti studio na meti wani na obise amsansensem wani mi nyina na mekeka ni nyina ya de kire wo matimi aka kosi se even GF for kraba to mo bananzia mi gina wani mi gina o ka tell se o se kwaku pama ebe ni di afim enso no na akunya ne ne dia otu omi inti na mi bi se fa mi nsem no fa toto me say 31st kura atwa mi eni pa bebre kasai wo moti ho ana mi ka che se kotokote de home game on be kuntokwa mi abande ho
no kura ka che mo sorry dem
so se prophet bi wo ho a otigana owo akokoduro na owo gidia ye de hyem komo a obeka sansense mo nu ya kirewa ka bi kire me
well see Ghana football the way forward echina aye D-Day again will be odi football echina expected from CAS or say Palmer versus Ghana Football Association
a confusion and sad stories
yen layman for entiase
what you know be okenshine
entiase they okay
na we ra because say news ni babontia Kate oba na nka say we want president onko tu fisi akunya na otisu nya ne dia nipa akunya ne ye ne dia ne yi na firi na sa akunya na bedi no wonim say se esi obi hene na onye odihia akunya ne dia oye ne ma basa wo de check ohini bi abo so odinsem hu because ahini no a full respect ohini bi a nipa mu no oye ne niam tantanta ye niam basa bi a chese akunya ne obi dia no ada so di tumi ana odi sikasema ko je free pakosa hu so feta sene eno mkoto aba yo ted kura unyani ket to seke ted kura unyani ene ekoto aba ted kura unyani wadi chese omu ya miensa na mku
no atoso ted
obeto so ted mu muza kunya foforo na uhui
no de ma
uhui
ende ma
ndi asana me Canada da ne de ne ba wadwumbo
oh se mi de oka chem na da nyina mi da mitrim ze ne tem one time
kunya na foforo na se minim se na da na me so dia se so afre Palmer the position bi so me Palmer je
da be origete
he's a coward
Kate na coward and say Palmer na coward say
nipa ne di asema kokasa wo nka 17 ye bebu aten na ye bu aten ne yesu adifo a wo man position wa ba association it doesn't make sense
ebia na omonso hu ni say well Palmer a clean guy but ensini na bia o manyo o madwuma yi it is my boss president na me hu say see we clean but ebia big administration
and from bia nko you hu ano we a coward anybody that na say boni won hu nti on qualify what's our conference over man position we a coward ketokreku it doesn't make sense over here sad in kra wo gu hu ni ma se poto me manyini ti me hu na me say we hu fo nipa ne yi na firi mo say ye man nko because boni won hu now ni the boy ni the boy ni kwa eko
enti sia eti echina eno na say Ghana fo nyina e party verdict na ekohi kate transo etwa ne 4 years na wi ana say echina CAS verdict e ba bontin no e betuma say Sunday ma we fi ama ya organize election foforo
me hu say ombe organize animanim ya election.
Okay.
But the me say the term no e no betwa ba.
Then the 4 years in will be try.
Nanso ade na yewura no tema yutini ni de koye no oni for sana me yewura de ka kire.
Okay.
So oni for
Odibe.
yes na empanifo bi na de politics sem di wura mu ma de to ne koto. Na cast for no yemfa politics sem nko o mani.
Yeah.
Do you omo de no kure ne be babot.
Bet ma say cars bet ma sound say pa me tia pepa na.
Happy panel phone so
only for you okay bet o me ento aba ne foforo.
Nemo ye obi o abone wo no ho a nkrofo bi akobọ ne charger eye Kate na otie akunya no so.
Ona bone ono.
Ona nkrofo bi akobọ ne charger.
Nkrofo ben.
Ghana for ya bi.
Amakobọ ne car the charger kire hwan.
Actually, I'm
FIFA for. Say ne o palma ko lawyers ya.
Inti onu asem beba no wo kina mo de munye din. Na muntie nsem asem pen no ba ka kire.
Etumu Ghana football ni say. See administration the 4 years now will be trying. This will yanka when you friend work 9 months.
Oh. Me asem we kra ma candidate da say ono na administration na de papa bia na niti kra na mate say ayifo no CAF ball na ya mo ball mate say etwam
Ball dey in etwam
kan se ho kan
kan intwam but yentimi mo no senka next year na kere bom but yentimi mo sa time no nti o mo de ko ani
maka ne probably say Ghana ye next AFCON be ebe ko bia Kwaku se Ghana tra group stage me ebe me won papa
Ghana ye next AFCON ebe ko anka the year 2021 anka ye be ko bi ndey ye ntimi tra group stage
se Ghana tra group stage ye next AFCON na me ebe me won
say ye born any day
ebe ensencheni ye nya bone ye nia ne yasa Kwaku Ghana be kwa kushia one of the toughest group and it has none of
ye ko AFCON na e be share toughest group
na ye wake up be there in India san ko bi
see an asema na okeken who catch them 2018 ye ntimi qualify for World Cup ampa ye ntimi ye nyina de 2022 aye budget say ye ko kata wo si ye nkobi
kata Russia kura wan ko bi na kata Russia kura obetumi akotina ko deeper ground me o pe kata na ko ndi ugina nya utie nya san o target so ko kata
and the dama kuma say Kwaku say ti bi ko ye dwuma kata kutu ni twa videos ko ye interviews de ba
Kwaku ma me chanje me 2014 ABC 2015 o ga kai say 2015 wo interviews na anem yen ba kon so me kai o me ka kira wo say 2015 AFCON ye be kon cup no ye Ghana de anti emfa bibini coaching ko no nkoje cup no mre na Ghana team ni be top from 10 years wo kai
me kai
ene Masokura du ball ni Kwesi Appiah starting ni qualify ena Masokura du betu aso ena mkofa bulu ni peti BC e konso
avant-garde
senanka bibini Ghana ni na chi epunu ni ti ho ena Côte d'Ivoire fo abo penalties minu ahye no a ko beka che de se he krache so le ko bo penalty na ja ko ma sa ankura na ko bo penalty 209 on se Ghana for ye spiritualism di enti abante bi sori so okobo panati hu se coach ni dia oye o tie mu akosi se oponti agima bali se dabi agima bali ukobo dey ni see
oboshi
in the realms of the spirit the coach heard something babru ni o ma kwansa
the 5 for 5 dia hye no an ya hye da
enso ye bibi man ye ni ye nyankopon ne na ye jinidi ngo dani ni mani
na me dada no
se Ghana third penalty to nkrofo na tena man ke we de cap by baby
see okay see a kwan ben ye be fa so 2022 kata e betima qualify na yako
me ade obi say me nim kwan bia me because what catch them me o say inkobi 2018 o kan be catch them mo anyi mani na mo to me sam na basa mo to gu ya ena ampa so mo ankobi unim de ma ye nsenche kro o say me saka se Ghana group bia Ghana betum bia beto so te ampani ampa no nko e group Ghana, Egypt, Congo, and Uganda. Now, see Ghana, but also say, yes, it's Abrano, or Penny be quite no catch you are a coach who take him, Mambuni, as a man yantro, and Timmy Bunny, the no so catches Abra, you are this time, so free in infusion, or so, yes, now, in Egypt, but check. 6 points in the chair. You ever fat Congo woman away, near fat Uganda woman away. Now, I say Uganda, the best Egypt. Now, on the number for me, I qualify for World Cup.
And I'm for
and Crofi, when you put one cassa, or the mathematics in the business. Okay, fair. Day one, Ghana board drawing near that chair. Oh, Sabra no na you were question entachine sports minister Sabra mfreno lati bibi lati no mo den tokwa bo ani match of the bono Kumasi Senkra no minister so so mfan ko temale
no Ghana ni Uganda
na wa ni Uganda bobo na ko boni temale opeso chese
o say we are club o say
Uganda no mo na wi ahye wo wo attitude sa de mane wo ana mo na Ghana
omo boy ya na boy say no nso sa
omo so de omo afa omo anu nso
it 2022 yentimi nya ho hwe kata no
yenkobi
eti ye betra se na 2018 aboy 2020 so aboy
some players are more de be qualify bo bi di kire me
bra say de jamia do bebre o
oh bra we am do be je team be we am do be je team be green and yellow obey standing blogger magana
green and yellow de South Africa
me ka se bo bi adi
South Africa for next say agesi
me se me ka se bo bi adi sa flag ni be jam be jam mo ba afcon and say nkrofo bi say me na so woni me say me nya course for Egypt Morocco kra dangana Egypt for and the frame be some say cap mo betimi age ana akoba ko video of me na me say chi so ma me $3,000 and say ma ka team obeje afcon na kire mo am di sika be mane no me shada na otete me say the bush ka bia no friends because otumi frame the Susia I heard that you are Susia you can tell me the country who win this cup I'm Egyptian na me Egypt muntu menje what we play this tournament in Egypt you say we can win this Egyptian we can win na me no muntu menje woman about to from am I speaking to the Susia I'm say yes who is this oh I'm no bomb of tough woman we want to know the country who will win this cup. Say, hey, who person who country where we need this cup? Go and check the green and yellow jerseys. No, only be winning. No. That country, that flag is in Group C. That Group C is Algeria, Senegal, no. these people cannot win. I'm so okay. Now, if you know those who can win, why did you ask me? When it comes to prophecy, we use faith to prophesy.
Yeah.
And then faith to prophesy, and then the hope will come in. Now, ama encourage
so we shall come na amam ne nkofo ka na si akan na amam se sani a wo si fili sani a wo si yaw
me sha nkom wa bra emam eto da bia mo Ghana fo mo nche ma asemase nti na ya mu hu ni sa me ka he tie me ka say a year under review out of folk will pick 6 points from Kotoko. And Grofo say a 7 American 4 days before Ukomia